Hello, my name is Kelsey Brillinghoff. I am an occupational safety consultant with the Wisconsin Safety and Health Consultation Program, and today we will discuss the design and maintenance requirements of exit routes. An exit route is a continuous and unobstructed path of exit travel from any point within a workplace to a place of safety. An exit route consists of three parts: exit access, which is the portion that leads to an exit, the portion that is separated from other areas to provide a protected way of travel to the exit discharge, and exit discharge, the part that leads directly outside or to a street, walkway, or other open space with access to the outside. Design requirements listed in 1910.36 require exit routes to be a permanent part of the workplace and separated by fire-resistant materials. The number of exit routes must be adequate, requiring a minimum of 2 exit routes be made available to permit prompt evacuation of employees. In addition, the exit discharge must lead directly outside or to a street, walkway, public way, or open space. The space in which an exit discharge leads to must be large enough to accommodate the building occupants. Exit doors must remain unlocked, and employees should be able to open an exit door from the inside at all times without keys, tools, or special knowledge. Panic bar devices that lock only from the outside are permitted on exit doors. Side hinge doors should be used to connect any room to an exit route, which swings out in the direction of travel. Lastly, exit routes must meet minimum height and width requirements of 7 feet 6 inches high and 28 inches wide. Objects that project into the exit route must not reduce the width to less than the minimum requirements. Maintenance requirements for exit routes are listed in 1910.37. These include keeping routes free of explosive or highly flammable furnishings or other decorations. Exit routes should be arranged so that employees will not have to travel towards a high-hazard area unless the path is effectively shielded. Routes must be free and unobstructed. No materials or equipment may be placed either permanently or temporarily within the exit route. The exit access must not go through a room that can be locked to reach an exit, nor lead into a dead end. Safeguards designed to protect employees during an emergency, such as sprinkler systems, alarm systems, fire doors, or exit lighting, must be in proper working order at all times. In addition, lighting and markings must be adequate and appropriate. Each exit route must be lit so that employees can see along the exit route. Exits must be clearly visible and marked by a sign reading exit, and doors should be free of decorations or signs that may obstruct the visibility of the door. Each doorway or passage along an exit access that could be mistaken for an exit must be labeled as not an exit or as to its purpose, such as bathroom, closet, or break room. If the direction of travel to the exit is not apparent, then signs indicating the direction must be posted along the exit access. Exit routes must be maintained during construction, repairs, or alterations. Employees must not occupy space until exit routes are complete, available, and ready for use, or until an alternate fire protection is provided that has an equivalent level of safety. Lastly, employers must install and maintain an operable employee alarm system that has a distinctive signal to warn employees of fire or other emergencies. This graphic shows the top 5 most cited standards in Subpart E for fiscal year 2019, which resulted in a serious citation. These include free and unobstructed exit routes, clearly visible and marked exit doors, being able to open exit doors from the inside, signs posted along the access if direction is not apparent, and maintaining exit width requirements of 28 inches. Multiple reoccurrences of these hazards have resulted in some companies receiving repeat and even willful citations. Additional information on exit routes can be found in Subpart E, Exit Routes and Emergency Planning. In addition, the NFPA 101 Life Safety Code addresses minimum building design, construction, and maintenance requirements necessary to protect building occupants from danger caused by fire, smoke, and toxic fumes. OSHA also has a great interactive e-tool on their webpage, which includes graphic depictions of exit route requirements and also a fact sheet on emergency exit routes.